Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam.
Meaning, integrating skill in action. This is the motto of the Glory of Gujarat, that is, the Gujarat University. Taken from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this motto truly amplifies the soul of the university. Shining like the crown of the vibrant state of Gujarat, Gujarat University has been following the path of excellence throughout its glorious journey in providing the best quality higher education.
As per Meghan Markle, a girl with a dream is a woman with a vision. A warm good evening to all ladies and gentlemen present here. As myself, Atira Ajay, I would say a woman plays a lot many roles in our life. She is our friend, mother, grandmother, co-worker, and so on. But at some point, people used to think that woman is not up to men. But I would say probably a woman is the only soul who has a right to carry a soul in herself, and that's a pretty joy in our life. So we all have observed that in the pandemic time, how a woman played a role of a warrior, how she dealt with all the problems and the situations surrounded her, how she maintained the balance between the household works as well as the job too that she holds, the position in the sectors. The same way, we all know that trillions of breakdowns she would have faced, but the one thing that she used to say, that I will deal with that problem, I will figure it out, or I will clear the way for that. This is the moment. Me, a girl with an adventure, a lady with a confidence, and a woman with smartness is a woman. A woman is a Wonder Woman. So I would welcome all the Wonder Women present here with a warm love to my ladies. You guys are the gem of our life. You guys are the warriors of our life. So let's welcome all the Wonder Women present here. Thank you.
Good evening to respected professors, Wonder Woman and my dear classmates. जैसे कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि नारी का कोई घर नहीं होता, अरे आप ये क्यों नहीं समझते कि नारी के बिना कोई घर घर ही नहीं होता। इस शायरी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं तेजस्विनी साहू आपके समक्ष एक कविता लेकर के प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। जो टूटे दिल को जोड़ती है, जो हर मुश्किल को आसान कर छोड़ती है, जो सच्चाई की चादर ओढ़ती है, वही नारी कहलाती है। तू स्वयं दुर्गा का रूप है, शांति का स्वरूप है। कभी तू माँ, कभी तू बहन है, दुखों को किया तूने बहुत सहन है। कदम से कदम आज तू मिला रही है हर मर्द से, आँख मिलाती है तू हर दर्द से। तुझी से आज, तुझी से कल है, हर मुश्किल का तेरे पास हल है। पहले जैसी ना रही तू चूल्हे चौके वाली, सिर्फ शादी करके बने घर वाली। आज नक्शा बनाया है तूने भारत का, इज्जत की इमारत का। गुरूर है तू हर पिता का, इस देश के मान सम्मान का। गिराती है दुनिया तुझे कई बार, सहे है तूने कई बार, मगर गिरा ना पाए कोई तेरे तख्त की दीवार। आज हर क्षेत्र की नैया की है तूने पार। धन्यवाद।
पलवों के नीचे है ठंडी सी एक धरती, कहती है आजा दौड़ेंगे। यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी खुशबू है, कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे। उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे, आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे। कहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल।
હેપી વુમન્સ ડે। આજે વુમન્સ ડેના પર્વ ઉપર ગુજરાતી શાયરે લખેલી એક શાયરી યાદ આવે છે। નથી ગમતું ઘણું બધું, પણ કંઈક તો એવું ગમે છે કે જેને કારણે આ ધરતી પર જીવવું ગમે છે, અને એ છે મારી મા। માતા, બા, આઈ દરેક શબ્દ એક જ અર્થ સૂચવે છે, જે આપણાપણું છે. માટે જ દરેકના નામ અલગ અલગ છે દરેક પ્રાંતમાં, પણ એની જે લાગણીઓ છે એ એક જ છે. જો મારા નસીબમાં દુઃખ ન હોત એક પણ, તો નસીબ લખવાનો હક મારી માતાને જ હોત. જીવનમાં જે પહેલી મિત્ર મળી એ પણ મારી માતા, પહેલી શિક્ષક મળ્યા એ પણ મારા માતા, તથા મારા પ્રોફેસર પણ પહેલા જ માતા, તથા જિંદગી આપનાર એ પણ માતા, કેમ કે જીવન પણ માતાએ જ આપેલું છે. જીવનમાં માતાનું મહત્વ કંઈક વિશેષ જ છે. દરેક માટે કંઈક ને કંઈક કરી છૂટવાની એમની તમન્ના એ કદાચ બીજા કોઈનામાં પણ નહીં જોવા માટે જ એક બીજા ગુજરાતી શાયરે લખેલી એક બે પંક્તિ મને યાદ આવે છે કે જનનીની જોડ સખી નહીં જડે રેલો. And thank you so much for a happy Women's Day to give an opportunity me to my thought process. હું એટલું જ કહીશ, thank you for being my mother, thank you for being my sister, thank you for being my professor, thank you being my teacher, and thank you so much. Happy Women's Day.
#women. You tell your daughter that she is being emotional, irrational, yet you tell your son that he is being strong and smart. That's how you're teaching your daughter to doubt her feelings, to question her beliefs. And so, when she is mistreated, she will think back to what was said under your roof and believe those gut feelings we speak of are merely irrational thoughts. While your son believes every thought he has is fair and right. Be careful how you raise your daughters. Also, be careful how you raise your sons. When you teach your daughter that her body is only pure and untouched, you are teaching her that she can be rude at hand of man. Raise your daughter to know that she is worth it. She is beautiful, but doesn't feel shame in sharing her beauty, whether it be for a man, woman, or anyone to see. Teach your daughter that she is a gift. And don't forget, a man does what he can, but a woman does what a man cannot. So very happy Women's Day. Be safe, be strong.
Hello everyone. My name is Darshini Dave. I'm a research scholar and lecturer at BK School of Professional and Management Studies. I've been given this platform as an alumni of BK. So my life, being a woman, doing post-graduation, now doing PhD, everything has been smooth. I am a privileged woman who got support from her family as well as from her colleagues. But not every girl is privileged in this country, not just in this country, all around the globe. Just look around you. There are many girls who can't pursue higher education, can't get their dreams fulfilled, are forced to get married before 18, and in some cases, they have children before 18. So, why am I complaining? At least they are alive. We have seen a lot of girls getting killed on their birth just because they are girls. And if I see a positive side, they at least saw this world and died. But some of the girls are illegally aborted even before seeing this world. So who is responsible for this? Government? Orthodox society? I don't know, but I think we are responsible. Just ask yourself once. Imagine being pregnant and saying proudly to your in-laws, to the whole world, that I wish I have a girl child. Difficult, right? The desperate desire of having a boy child needs to be discontinued somewhere. We need to change our mindset. Look around you. You can see Kamala Harris. You can see Nirmala Sitharaman ji. We had Indira Gandhi ji, Pratibha Patil ji. We have Hima Das. All these beautiful ladies have given immense contribution to this world. Girls are no less than boys. Yes, the equality word has a meaning. My question is it cool to troll a lady just because her opinion doesn't match with yours? No, right? Then why is it cool when a lady trolls a man for the same? Why in such cases we see that as a sign of women empowerment? So remember, pulling men down will not make women empowered. Working hard and achieving things will make you equal. Women empowerment does not mean hating men. That was the one side of women empowerment. We recently saw a lot of brave acts by women. Given the platform, I want to discuss one of them. when we saw a lady officer rejecting her maternity leave and bringing her newborn to office? Is it really an act of bravery by a lady? Exposing your breastfeeding baby to this vulnerable environment without taking proper rest can make you supermom according to some, but my opinion differs. I'm sorry for that. So all the ladies listening to this, work hard, achieve your goals, bring equality, believe in yourself. You will definitely get success. Always dream big, but remember you are strong even if any case you can't be the leader. You are a role model to your family. We have seen a lot of housewives going into depression just because they can't earn. My question is waking up early, cooking for your family, taking care of them, working hard throughout the day not more than earning? It is for sure more precious. So be confident. No one can do whatever you are doing. To all the ladies out there, please love yourself. Thank you. Happy Women's Day.
Good evening everyone. I am getting an opportunity to deliver a speech on International Women's Day. Dear all beautiful women, there is no limit in any field. Women empowerment nowadays is a running topic. Empowering the woman is the great responsibility, is very much necessary for the gender equality. Nowadays men and women are equal in many fields. Just breathe. You are strong enough to handle your challenges, wise enough to find solution to your problem, and capable enough to find what need to be done. If you want something, ask a man, and if you want something done, ask a woman. Thank you. Hence, happy and inspiring Women's Day.
Hello everyone, I'm Yatri Upadhyay. I have something to share with you guys. So here I begin. Your worth is not in the things you do. Your worth lies in your care and through. You go beyond your limit in the life. You are so strong from inside. Your sacrifice for that one smile. You are true woman of a substance, and a big salute to you in the life. Happy Women's Day. As a daughter, you are bubbly and cute. As a wife, you are strong and loving. As a grandma, you are always there. As a woman, you make life worth of living. So there is just a single word for you, that you are the best in everything you do. So once again, Happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Hello women, how are you all? On this auspicious International Women's Day, I would like to present a small poem on mothers and the housewife, who are actually the warrior. And in my life also, my mother is my superwoman. So let's start. She gave a life, she is a wife, she is a mother, and she is a friend. She is a sister, survivor to the end. Appreciate her, we don't dare. Ask her worries, we don't care. Swipe away her tears, they are invisible as air. She cooks, she cleans, she laughs and hide her pain. When you struggle, she pulls you. She swallows her pride, put her feelings aside. But let me tell you a word full of hope. I call her smart, strong, sensual, caring, surviving, powerful, and tolerant. I call her woman. Last but not the least, a small quote to all the women and to all the girls. Don't let anyone tell you that you are weak because you are a woman. So women and girls, love yourself and be yourself. Thank you.
First of all, a very happy Women's Day all presented here. We men need women throughout the day in different way. Even भगवान भी इनसे परे नहीं है. They also want women in their life. In fact, अपने नाम से पहले शक्ति यानी कि women को रखा है. Like लक्ष्मी नारायण, राधे कृष्णा, सीताराम. And in our life, essential thing कि जिसके बिना हम human का कोई existence ही नहीं है. All are connected with the शक्ति, that is woman. और अगर शुरू से देखें तो getting birth from the women, जिस पे रह रहे वो अर्थ यानी कि पृथ्वी, जिस पर रह रहे वो धरती यानी कि लैंड, बेसिक एलिमेंट वाटर गेटिंग बाय द गंगा। इनफैक्ट दिन के 24 आवर्स वी आर इन सर्च ऑफ डिफरेंट वुमेन। अगर शुरू से देखें तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विद्या, दैट इज एजुकेशन, देन सेकंड इज लक्ष्मी, दैट इज वेल्थ, देन थर्ड इज शांति, दैट इज पीस, एंड अर्निंग फॉर द फूड। सो उषा से संध्या तक अनुपमा के लिए भागते हैं। एट नाइट वी नीड सम स्लीप एंड गेट सम ब्यूटीफुल ड्रीम्स। सो निशा में हम नींदिया लेते हैं और सपना देखते हैं। Even the main Hindu mantra is Gayatri mantra, or we read great epic that is Gita. We are still with women, even in praying. That is puja, vandana, aarti. So if we are in dark and we need light, that is jyoti. Even if we getting old, we need some sympathy. There is karuna and mamta. So I hope you understand my bhavna. So basically, it's a woman's world. Without women, man can't be survived. Whether it is in form of mother, sister, friend, wife, teacher, anything. और अभी रिसेंटली जुलाई 2020 में एक नया सीरियल शुरू हुआ है, as we all know the name, Anupama. Even I watch it daily. But the thing is that we all have that one Anupama in our house. कहीं मम्मी के रूप में, कहीं सिस्टर के रूप में, कहीं वाइफ के रूप में, कहीं बेटी के रूप में, कहीं बहू के रूप में, कहीं सास के रूप में। और जब लास्ट ईयर पेंडेमिक की सिचुएशन थी तब हमने तो पूरा वेकेशन एंजॉय किया, बट दैट अनुपमा ऑफ आवर हाउस, उसकी ड्यूटी तो और बढ़ गई, 24/7 हो गई। सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग on this day. Do something for them to get smile on their faces. And I thank all the women who are in my life and thank for their important role in my life. And I would like to give one advice to all of you that don't underestimate the woman because वो स्त्री है, वो कुछ भी कर सकती है. Again, happy Women's Day all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Selena, wishing you a very happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies out there. Each time a woman speaks up for herself without knowing it possibly, without claiming it, she stands up for all the women. Each time you speak up for yourself, you are speaking up for all of us. You creating history each and every single day. So here is a song to all the beautiful ladies and especially to all the mothers.
Hello everyone, happy Women's Day to everyone out there. On this occasion, I would just like to quote that when there is women, there is wonder, and it's true because in everything we do it a very beautiful and wonderful way. So I just like to share one thing because there is a there's a myth. People always say that औरत ही औरत का दुश्मन होती है and things like that, which is somewhat true. We can say that, but we have come across that way and we have fight through that thing because when I see women around me that they are supporting each other in everything they do. I know people say that women get really jealous of them, they have this quality. Well, I think that it's a really human quality, but apart from them, women are really, now coming forwards, helping each other, giving voice to each other and encouraging each other to get up, fight for themselves, create their own identity. So I just really cherish this thing, and I hope that we keep doing that, support each other, and just spread happiness and inspiration all around, and for the women to come. So thank you so much.
I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm a friend, I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a grandmother, I'm a teacher, I'm a CEO. I am a woman. From the first ray of the sun till dusk, I don't stop. I am a powerhouse of emotions, yet I'm the strongest you'll ever know. I make dreams come true of me and you. Here's to all the women we have ever come across, wishing each and every one of them a very happy International Women's Day. Thank you.
હેલો હાય હેપી વુમન્સ ડે. વુમન માટે જેટલું કહું એટલું ઓછું છે, બટ સ્ટીલ એક ખાલી નાનામાં નાની વસ્તુ કહીશ. ક્યારે બી કંઈ પણ આપણે મનમાં રાખીએ ને તો એના ઉપર આપણને વ્યાજ નથી મળતું, પણ મનની વાત આપણે બહાર કરીએ ને તો આપણું છે ને કદાચ મન હલકું થઈ જાય. એ જ વસ્તુ લેડીઝમાં છે. લેડીઝ સહન કરે, બહુ જ સહન કરે, સહન શક્તિ બહુ જ લેડીઝમાં હોય, પણ એ કહે નહીં ક્યારે કે ભાઈ આ વસ્તુ થઈ રહ્યું છે, આ વસ્તુ થઈ રહ્યું છે. બોલો, તમે બધી વસ્તુ સહન કરો છો, બોલો, આગળ દુનિયાની સામે પ્રેઝન્ટ કરો, તમે શું ફીલ કરો છો. નો ડાઉટ એવું નથી કમ્પલસરી કે ગર્લ્સ સાચી જ હોય, બટ સ્ટીલ તમારા જે મનમાં છે એટલીસ્ટ બોલો. જે મનમાં આવે એ બોલો, જે તમને સારું લાગે એ બોલો. ઘણા લોકોની સામે બોલો, તમારા પર્સનલ માણસોની સામે બોલો, બટ જસ્ટ બોલો. બસ બીજું કંઈ નથી કહેવા માંગતી. હેપી વુમન્સ ડે. થેન્ક યુ.